And this is Nadia Sabrati coming to you live from Queens, New York from createwealthwithnadia.com. How is everyone doing today? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the subscription button to subscribe on my channel because I will be uploading videos daily. I will also be going live on YouTube. If you need to find me, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So today I have an awesome topic that I want to cover with you all today to help you on your journey when it comes to online marketing. So today I'm going to give you 7 tips on how to use video marketing in your business, right? Now, you know, Facebook Live has been around. I think that was the first platform that has actually been around for video marketing, right? Back in 2016, because I started my online journey October 24th, 2016. So when I started working online, Facebook Live has only been around for 6 months, so it was fairly new, right? Now you can go live on LinkedIn. Well, you could have always gone live on Periscope. I used Periscope once, but I am also on YouTube. And what I do is I upload my videos every time. I syndicate them on the different platforms. I mean, every time I make sure I syndicate my videos on all the platforms because I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, right? So video marketing has been around since 2016, and they predicted that by the year 2020, video marketing is going to be 80% of people are going to be using videos to build their business online, right? And we are in 2020. So yeah, I'm seeing that happening right now. Video marketing is everywhere. Every platform is using videos, right? And you know what I realized? That people rather watch a video than read content. Seriously, a lot of people don't like reading. It's so much easier for them to just, click on the video and watch, the value you're providing, right? So today we're going to be talking about how to use video marketing in your business to start getting results. Because I've noticed, I've been watching tons of videos of new marketers, and a lot of them are not doing videos correctly, right? So let's get started. Now, tip number 1, introduce yourself. Who are you? What does your brand stand for, right? I see a lot of marketers going live and they're not introducing themselves, right, guys? Introduce yourself and say who you are. Like for me, usually when I go live, I'll be like, hi there, my name is Nadia Sabrati from createwealthwithnadia.com. I'm a personal branding specialist. I teach online personal branding, right? This is my introduction. So you guys figure out exactly what you want and how you want to introduce yourself when you're starting to do your video, right? And another thing, make sure you have a topic. I've noticed marketers do videos, they don't have a topic. So when you go live, if you don't have a topic, guess what? The people in your newsfeed are not going to know what you're talking about, so they're not going to click on your video, right? So make sure you have a topic. Now, number 2, share your details on what you want your product to do. So let's say you have a product, right? And you're going live and you're marketing your product, right, guys? What you want to focus on, share your details about the product. Share your benefits and results. Don't talk about the company's name. Tell the audience what the product does, right? Now, benefits and results. You're going to focus on the benefits and results of the product, but not the company's name and not the product itself. Okay, guys? Now, give customer testimonials. So when I use a product, I do a product review, right? I give testimonials about the product, what the product does. This is what you guys want to do. Talk about what the product does, right? So obviously give customer testimonials. So let's say you sold the product to other people. Ask them to give you a testimonial of the product. I've done that. I've used a bunch of testimonials on my funnels, right? Because people that have joined me use the product. I, use their testimonials, and you guys want to use their testimonials as well. Okay, educate your audience. How are you going to educate your audience? You are going to educate your audience by giving value. You're going to lead with value, right, guys? This is so important. Now, share your story. Share your story. It could be anything. Maybe you want to share your branding story. That's who you are, right? Or maybe you want to share your story about the product you're using, right? Again, you want to talk about the benefits and results. Create a story. Maybe you're using a weight loss product, right? Maybe you have a lot of health issues and you're using this product. Why are you using this product? Because you were overweight, you were trying to get healthy, you want to get healthy, and that's why you started using this product. Right, guys? It's so simple. Now, interview expert and influencers to spread the reach. Audience tapping. Do you know what audience tapping is? When you interview other people, right, you tap into their audience. And guess what? You're getting a wider reach. So interviewing people is very important. Try to start interviewing influencers so you can tap into their audiences. All right. I've been interviewed many, many times, and I've tapped into a lot of people audiences. So there's a great way for you to get massive, massive exposure and have everyone else in your in the influencers audience get to see who you are, right, guys? So start trying to interview other influencers and stuff like that so you can tap into their audience. Now, create interactive videos. Respond to comments while you're live streaming. This is important. When you go live, this is important, right, guys? When you go live and people start commenting, start responding to everyone that's commenting on your post, right? I mean, while you're live. Make the videos interactive where they can ask you questions and you can respond to them, right, guys? And then at the end, make sure you have a call to action. A call to action, a CTA, is where do you want to send people? For me, I have my website, createwealthwithnadia.com. I have tons and tons of value content in there, a lot of different types of trainings. People can easily go to my website, right? createwealthwithnadia.com, and they can see my work. I have close to 400 pieces of content here, guys. Since I've been working online, I've been creating content every single day, right? So I just wanted to share that. So you definitely need a call to action. Maybe you have a weight loss product. It depends on what the video is all about, right? If you're promoting a product, you want to have a link to the product where you can send people to, right? So if you're doing a video about a weight loss product, make sure you have that link and you can direct them to that link, the call to action. You can say, hey, if you want some more information, you can check out my link. Or if you want to, that type of stuff, so you can send them there, right? I just wanted to share that. Hey, Marshall, what's going on? Beautiful. Thank you for joining me. Where have you been? Gorgeous. Happy New Year, by the way. All right, guys. So these are the 7 tips on how to use video marketing in your business. And when you're using video marketing, guys, in your business, guess what? You can reach hundreds of people, or you can reach thousands of people. I did a video in Egypt, Haggadah. Guess what? I got over 25,000 views on that video. That was the most views I ever got, to be honest with you, doing videos, right? And guess what? I reached 25 people. And guess what? This video is still working. It's still working because more and more people are still viewing this video. So from 25,000, I don't know. I haven't checked since then, but I'm quite sure that number is probably higher than that by now. And this was 2 years ago, right? So 2 years, I have to check and see what the numbers is now. Back then it was 25,000. Now it's probably way, way over a lot more. And I haven't checked in a while, right? So video marketing, guys, if you want to reach hundreds of people, thousands of people, or millions of people, guess what? You can do that. Also, you can start doing videos on your business page, start creating a custom audience, a lookalike audience, and you can reach a lot of people. Last month I reached, actually in 1 week, right? Because I was testing it out, my custom audience. I reached 33,000 people, guys, last month. 33,000 people from just 1 week of content. 34 or 35,000 people. Yeah, and you guys can do that. You can create videos, create custom audience, lookalike audience. You can capture a lot of people in there, right? By just doing videos and have your videos playing if you know how to do that. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. This week, I think I captured like 10,000 people in my, the following week I captured 30-something thousand people. Last week I captured because this week just started. Last week I captured like about 6,000 or 7,000 people. Yeah. So this week just started, right? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. You can start doing videos, guys. Video marketing is huge. And especially if you want to run ads, you need to have a custom audience. You need to have a lookalike audience. And without videos, you will not be able to do that, right? Anyway, just want to give you guys some information. That's what I've been up to, right? So listen, I love you guys. If you need anything, if you need coaching, I'm right here. I have 3 different packages for coaching. You can send me a message. I can do a consultation with you. If you need help with anything, send me a message, okay? You can find me a messenger. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. I'm everywhere. All right, guys? So listen, I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye, everyone.